Hi guys, and welcome to EV Evolution. In this video I will be showing one car. So this is Electa Nevo. This is how it looks with the closed hood. So we have the two in the same color, and this is how it looks inside. So this is our changed version. Before there was a car battery, so lead acid car battery in here, and this is the charger. This is our power distribution box, and this is the 12-volt battery. So we put lithium ion battery 3S 2P to behave like a normal car battery in the car. So original this car has no car battery, and that's why we need to put it to be safely controlled by the power distribution box. So you cannot discharge fully the main car battery that was used for electric motors. Before this was the case. If you leave it for a long time not used, it will drain the battery out fully, and then the car battery will be broken, let's say. So this is the original manufacturer of the car. In Croatia is called Electa and Nevo. So in this 12-volt car battery box we have one button that is used to control the charger. We can set up the charger with our custom software, how we control it. So in this case we used, when the button is pressed, the charger is using 32 amps, and when the button is not pressed, then the charger is using 17 amps. So you can have a different setup depending on if you are charging at work or at home. So for example, at work you can charge with 32 amps, and at home you can charge with 70 amps. So you just push the button and change the settings for the charger. That's the simplest possible. We have this also, this option we can provide you for any EV conversion. So for example, in this Golf we can also set up these different charging options. So if you have some car for EV conversion, we can do it and provide charging technology, custom chips that are also inside this box to control the charging. So this is the standard controller of this car. We didn't change anything. This car related in front, related to the motor and controller. So this is the standard as original in this car. Only this was used for the battery. So there were two lead acid batteries here and big charger, old charger that was used to charge this vehicle as before. The car has charging socket here. So this is some custom Chinese charging socket as specified by this specification. This car weighs 869 kilos, but only 549 kilos is the car, and 320 kilos are the batteries. So lead acid batteries are very heavy, and now we have put our new battery that weighs only 105 kilos. So this is LFP battery case, this blue in the trunk. So this is where the original batteries were. So you had 8 lead acid batteries under the vehicle and 4 under the vehicle and 2 more up here. So these bolts here, 2 more were here before. Now we have much more power, and all batteries are under the car, and we say it weight like over 210 kilos for the car. So car is much lighter, much faster now, and also battery is much more powerful. Before it had range around 100 kilometers, now it's over 200 kilometers of range. So 18 kilowatt hours of LFP batteries. This car has regen. Also when you press the brake, then the regen activates, and if you press more brake, then also normal brakes activate depending on the car. So the car has a lot of space, as you can see inside. This is like even more space in the Volkswagen Golf it has. So this car is very compact and very usable for 2 persons, of course, because it has a big truck. Inside we didn't change much. We just added our safe disconnect button. It previously had this safe disconnect button, so now this one is the same as before. It disconnects the controller, but our works with the power distribution box, so it safely disconnects power distribution box from the car. And we added here our display for battery control or battery monitoring. As you can see, now it's the remaining amps of the battery is 84 amps and the voltage is 101 volts. So this is the current usage is 0.0005. This is only for the shunt monitoring, so nothing changed from the inside, and we got a lot weight removed from this car, so over 200 kilos. So this car will now even have a bigger range and much more easier to drive, much lighter, so it will behave even better on the road. If you are interested in EV conversions, you can contact us. We have EV conversion kits and motors for you, like in this Volkswagen Golf.